Hello, this is Mr. Painter with another fabulous IXL tutorial. Today, we're working on IXL D.12, the power rule in exponents. All right, let's get started. First of all, we're going to use the 7 as a base, and the power rule basically says to literally multiply your two exponents. So we're going to take our 2 and multiply it by the 4. All right, and so what we get here is we got 7, 2 times 4 is 8. So 7 to the 8 power. Now, because it does say simplify, we're going to go ahead and express our answer as the given base raised to a single exponent. All right. So let's go and click in there. And this is the tool I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 7. I'm going to click on the box tool. And when I click on the box tool, it is now ready for me to go ahead and put the 8 for my exponent. So again, when you're ready for your exponent, hit the exponent tool and you'll be good to go. All right. Next one, we got 1 to the 6th power to the 3rd. All right, so what we got is 1, 6, multiply, and again, the rule here is multiply 3. So then what happens here is we got 1, 6 times 3 is to the 18. So we're going to go ahead and put 1 to the 18th power. Wow, look at us go. We're doing fabulous on this to Excel. All right, here we go. We got a 4, multiply the 4 here. So 4 times 6. And so what happens is we got 4 equals, let's see, 4 times 6. Ooh, 4 times 2 is 12. 4 times 3. I'm getting 24. So 4 times 6 is 4 to the 24th power. So let's go ahead and put that in. And we don't want to submit it quite yet because I will get it wrong and I don't want my score to go down. And that would be a bad thing. So 4 to the 24th. And before I hit submit, I'm kind of just double checking it right now to make sure it makes sense. 4 times 6 is 24. Because if it doesn't, don't hit the submit button. So check it first. All right, we're going to move at a little bit of faster pace. You're getting the idea. So we got 4, 2 times 6, which gives us 4 to the 12th power. So let's do 4, exponent tool to the 12th power. And notice my finger accidentally tapped the 3. So before I submit it, I'm going to go ahead and just make that adjustment and fix it so that way we're good. All right, smart score of 36 so far. So we're doing real good. So we got 12 to the power of 8 times 6. And 12, 8 times 6 is 48. So we got 12 to the 48 power. So 12 to the 48 power. Doing really good. Smart score of 43. So I got 5 to the 3rd power times 6. And 5, 3 times 6 is going to be 18. That one looks familiar. I think that was like one of our first problems. So we're going to do 5, exponent tool, 18. So again, just multiplying the exponents here. All right. Next up, we got 11 to the 4th power times 9. So 11. And that 11 doesn't look too nice. So let's try that again. 11 to the 4th times 9. So then we got 11, and 4 times 9 is 36. So we got 11 to the 36th power. So we got 11 to the 36 power. All right, next up, we got 3 to the second power times 4. And we got 3. 2 times 4 is 3 to the 8 power. So we got 3 to the 8 power. So next up, we got 12 to the 6 power times 9. And 12, 6 times 9 is going to be 54. That's a really huge number, by the way. 12 times 12 times 12 times 12. 54 times. Could you imagine? So 12 to the 54. All right. Next up, we got 4 to the 9 times 9. And 9 times 9 is 81. So 4 to the 81st power. So 4 to the 81. Next, we got 6 to the 9th power times 6. And 6. And 9 times 6 looks familiar again, is 54. And again, another huge number because 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Yeah, 54 times would be really huge. So that's why using exponents is super helpful because otherwise it'd get too big. So we got 6 to the 54th power. All right, next we got 12 to the 11. Well, that's a huge number. So 12, 11 times 11. And 12, 11 times 11 is 130. You remember? I think you got it. 132. 132. So 12 to the 132nd power. Woo! That thing is huge. 132. So again, I'm taking my time, just kind of checking it because being accurate is important. And it was 121. See, it happens when you make a mistake, right? All right, so we're going to catch up. So here we go. We got 10, and 10 times 5 is to the 50th power. 7, 5 times 1 is to the 5th power. We got 10, 6 times 3 is to the 18th power. When you fall back, just dive in. All right, we're going to wrap this up. So we got 9. Oh my goodness. We got 9 to the 18th power. All right, so I need to do a little side work on this one. So I got 18 times 9. So 8 times 9 is 72, carry the 7. And 9 times 1 is 9, plus 7 is 16. So I'm getting 162 on that one. So let's try that and see if that works. So 9, 162. 162. All right, need one more point to 80, and we'll be done with this fabulous IXL. Let's see. We can do this in our head, actually. 3 and 5 times 15. It's a little bit of a stretch. Let's work that one out. So I got 15 times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 2 is 75 for our exponent. So we got 3 to the 75th power. All right. I think that does it right there. So that is IXL D12 power rule up to a smart score of 82. Have a fantastic day.